welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Anna, and you guys, I am so excited for this unboxing. So if you guys have been on my channel for a while, or if you've seen some of my videos, you guys know that I do dibble dabble in makeup a little here and there, but I really am dedicated and love my skincare. So I do go all out. I do buy kind of the expensive brand skincare for my skin just because that's what's worked for me over the years. Now, the whole reason I ended up actually getting into skincare is because my grandmother actually was super into skincare, and let me tell you guys, she looked absolutely amazing. She actually passed away 2 years ago now, but she passed away at 92 years old. Yes, guys, she actually ended up making it to her 90s. God bless her. And let me tell you guys, even into her 90s, her skin was beautiful. Her face was gorgeous. Her hands were gorgeous. And I always would ask her, like, what do you do? And she would always, like, you know, show me moisturizers and hand creams and all that stuff that she has used over the years. So I wanted to transition my skincare as I was leaving college, just because I wanted to do something different, because the drugstore brands that I was using for many years just didn't really do anything much for me anymore. Like, I would get breakouts here and there, hormonal breakouts, things like that. So I just wanted to focus my skincare on something different. Not that the drugstore brands that I was using were bad, but they just weren't doing anything much for me. And just to give you guys a little bit of a background, my skin has been pretty neutral my whole life. Like, I never dealt with like really bad acne or very oily skin. Like, I've been pretty neutral my whole life, so thank God for that. But I do deal with breakouts, hormonal breakouts when it's that time of the month, things like that. So I wanted to find something different and something that really is, you know, kind of more on the higher end, kind of more expensive, but does the job type of thing. So I got introduced to Tatcha because, as a lot of us young folks do, we love to watch YouTube. So I was on YouTube just watching other people's skincare routines, what they use, what kind of products they would recommend. And a lot of people were recommending Tatcha. So I was like, you know what, let me try it. So it is a more expensive brand, but what I really like is that they do have travel sized items. So that's actually what I started purchasing from them, is that I started purchasing travel size items. Then I went to the bigger items, and I can't get enough now. Now at this point, I've been using Tatcha for 4 or 5 years now, and I absolutely love it. So I'm rambling on, so let's get to the good stuff, because you guys are here for the lucky bag. So what the lucky bag is every year, I want to say the first week of January, I think it's usually around the 3rd or the 4th. I think this year was a little bit later. I think it was around the 7th or 8th that they released their lucky bag. And what's really great is if you buy $100 worth of skincare, you get $100 worth for free. Basically, it's a lucky bag, and I have to look it up. I'll try to insert it here somewhere, but there's more information on what the tradition is, and it's based off the culture. So I think that's really cool. If you buy $100 worth of product, you get $100 worth of product free. You guys, that is absolutely amazing, and I don't pass it up. I think I started doing this when they started doing their lucky bag, which I believe was 3-4 years ago, and I have not been disappointed since. So usually what I do get is I either get the moisturizer I always use, the toner, the cleanser, something like that. So I get a product, well, I get $100 worth of product that I already use on the daily, and my moisturizer is actually running out. So it's really good that this came in, because I think I had like maybe a day or two of moisturizer left. So I'm really glad that that's in. All right, guys, so I'm so excited to break into this. I guess let's start with the first product. So the first box that I have are actually items that I've repurchased. There's actually one new item in here, but I did end up getting the moisturizer that I always use. So I guess we'll start with that, and then we will go into our lucky bag. So it's always handwritten. I think that's so sweet. So it says, "Dear Anna, we hope you enjoy these beauties. Always, Tatcha." So that's so sweet that someone actually writes you a handwritten card. Like, you don't see that. You see a lot of like stamp things, like, you know, general nice little notes that they put on every card, but for someone to actually handwrite this, I think is so cute and so special, and that just goes to show how much they really care at Tatcha. So let's see. Yay! It's so sad that for a big box, these are the 2 items that came in it. It's not that big, but they always do that. That's, you know, that's always the case. So the first item I ended up getting is the moisturizer that I always use, and you guys, I swear by this. This is the water cream. If you guys have not used this, I would highly recommend it. What I really love is that it's really sleek too. They just have their logo, their name in white print on what the item is, and this kind of like wood, like dark chocolate wood color covering. I love that. Like, the Tatcha's packaging is always like A1. It's always so gorgeous. So I ended up repurchasing the moisturizer I always use, and let's see if you pull her out. There she is. So I'm not going to open it up because, as I mentioned, I think I still have a few days, maybe 2 or 3 days for my other one to finish out. So I'm not going to open it up, but I will show you guys. This is what she looks like. How gorgeous. It comes with a little spoon at the top, so you don't have to use your fingers. You can just use a spoon and dab it wherever you need it, and you are all set. So I ended up repurchasing that, and then I am so excited. This is a new item for me. So this is the Tatcha the Kiss You lip mask. So you guys, it is winter here and it is absolutely freezing in New York City. So usually in the summer, my lips are they're okay. They're not too chapped, they're not too anything. But guys, the winter kills me. The winter does a number on my skin. I need to moisturize a lot. And I've also noticed this winter, especially, like, my lips dry out so much. So I wanted to try this just because it's a lip mask. And let me see, let's read what it says. So this ultra soothing Japanese peach seed jelly smooths, plumps, and helps restore overnight for soft, pillowy lips. So you guys, I need this because my lips have just been so dry. I don't know why. I think it's because, you know, in the winter, it's when it's super cold outside and then you go into the inside, but it's hot. It's like just that transition from hot to cold, back and forth, like to and from work, to and from on the weekends after I'm done being outside. It's just a lot on me, I think. So I've been trying to find something for my lips. So when I was checking out like the Lucky Bag and trying to get the amount that I needed, I actually was gonna purchase my cleanser and my moisturizer that I always get. I get this blue teal line in the cleanser and the moisturizer, but I was like, you know what, let me look for something different. And then this popped up. This was actually on one of their home pages, and I just thought this was, I know they have lipstick, so I thought this was a lipstick, but when I read that it was a lip mask, you guys, I was here for it because, as I mentioned, your girl needs something for her lips because the winter is definitely not agreeing with me. Oh, and this is really cute too. Oh, cute. Okay, so it comes with a little spoon, just like the moisturizer does. And, oh, this is so pretty. And then this is the actual lip mask itself. I don't know if that's gonna focus. I might have trouble focusing. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. It's not really wanting to focus too well. But it's in like this really nice kind of peachy color, and I'll actually open this up because I'm gonna start using this basically after this video. Wow, you guys, let's see. Okay, I want to show you guys, but I want to make sure none of it falls out. There we go. That's what it looks like. It's a really nice peachy color, and you guys, I am so excited to use this because your girl has really been needing something for her lips. So this could not come at like a good enough time. Like, this is awesome, and I actually can't wait to use it. And let me guys know if you want me to do a review on this. I do have some reviews up of my moisturizer and my cleanser that I use because, again, I've used it for years, so I do have reviews up on that. But let me know if you guys want me to do a review of the lip mask. I'll do it for, like, you know, I'll wear it for a week and let you guys know like how it's going, if I like it, if I would recommend it. So let me know if you guys want to see a review on that. All right guys, so here we go. I am so excited. We are gonna break into our Lucky Bag. I know that's probably why a lot of you are here. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm making this video. Let's see what we ended up getting in our Lucky Bag this year. And this is what she looks like. Pretty simple, you know, just Tatcha has its brand on it. And there's actually a little saying, you guys can't see that because the flash is too high. There we go. But there's actually a little excerpt here in the back, and it says, Lucky Bag is a much anticipated New Year custom in Japan. The mystery shopping event is a special treat where grab bags set to be filled with luck can be purchased at an amazing value. So guys, this is an amazing value. So I got $100 worth of product, and I got $100 worth of product for free. You guys, you really can't beat that. And what's really great is, like, yes, a lot of these products come in their travel sizes, but you guys, their travel sizes can last you for a while. They can last you, depending how much you use them, right? If you use them daily, they might last you 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. But if you don't use them on the daily, if you use it every 2 days, every 3 days, it might last you like a month or two. So not a bad value at all. So let's get started, you guys. I am so excited to see what is in here. Okay. There's nothing in there. All right, so here, let's see what we got. You guys, this is so exciting. This is like Christmas all over again. Let's see what we got. Oh, yay. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you this without dropping any of it. Let's see, not doing a good job, clearly. All right, let's see. Do you guys see that? Nice. Okay, so we got a good amount of stuff. So as I show you guys the items, what I will do is I will kind of do a little insert of how much they all are. So at the end, you can add it all up and it will show that it is more than $100 worth, or $100 or more, I should say. And you guys, I am obsessed already. All right, so let's get into the items that we have in our lucky bag. So I kind of dispersed it out through here to show you guys. So we have 3 masks. So one is the deep hydration lifting mask. This is the big one. This is their facial mask. Don't know if that's really, there we go, focusing for you guys. And then the next item we have is a deep hydration eye mask, and we actually have 2 of those. So that's really nice that they give us 2. So you have 2 of these bad boys, 2 of the eye masks, which is also really nice. I have used their eye cream before and I really love it, so I'm actually interested to try their masks. I haven't tried their masks before. I have tried the facial one that I have, but their eye masks in like actual mask form I haven't tried before. And then the next thing we ended up getting is a Tatcha water cream small travel size, which I absolutely love, because let me tell you guys, I actually do end up going to Sephora and purchasing these small little travel water creams and the cleanser to take with me on vacation. So this is actually perfect, because if you actually guys watched my welcome to my channel video, you guys know that in March I'm gonna go away on a cruise, and this is perfect. I can take this with me. It can last me a week. It can last me almost 2 weeks to do this every night. It's a little moisturizer, and you guys, I love it. So this is actually perfect and couldn't come at the right time, because I actually was gonna repurchase a cleanser and the moisturizer to take with me on the cruise. So this is perfect. So then the next item that we have is the Pure One Step cleansing oil, and you guys, I actually have gotten this myself a few times before. I think it came once or twice in one of my previous lucky bags, and this is really great because this is really good at removing makeup at the end of the night. So you know, you have makeup wipes, you also have like the Sephora and Ulta brand makeup removers, but I do really like this Tatcha makeup remover. And let's see, it says dispense 1 to 3 pumps and dry hands. Yeah, just doesn't really give you information about it, but this is really great as a makeup remover, so I'm so excited about that. And then the last item we have is completely new to me. I haven't gotten this before, but I am so excited because when these lip balms and they have lipsticks that launched, I was interested in them, but I don't know, I never jumped the gun and got any of them, but I did end up getting the Plum Blossom lip balm. This is what she looks like. How pretty. Oh, it is so pretty, and I'm so excited. Let me show you guys what the inside looks like. How cute is that? Oh, and there is like a very nice kind of blossom hint to it. It's nothing too aggressive, and I don't want to dig into it because my you know, I just was touching a box and my hands aren't clean, so I definitely don't want to dig into this. But that smells amazing. You guys, I'm actually so excited to try this because I've heard nothing but great things about the balms and the lipsticks. So yeah, so in our lucky bag, we ended up getting 3 masks. We got a balm, we got a moisturizer, and we got a makeup remover. So that is what is in our lucky bag for this year. Now, I don't know if everyone gets the same thing. There might be 1 or 2 things that they throw in to make it a little different, and I'm not 100% sure if they still offer it, because they do only offer it while supplies last. So if they do offer it, you guys, get on there, get it now, get it as soon as possible, because it sells out super quick. And what's really great is they actually ship really fast. So I think I ordered this on a Sunday or Monday and got it on Thursday. Not bad at all. Like, it ships really fast, and you guys, like I mentioned, you cannot go wrong. This is $100 worth of product for free, guys, for free. So you guys, I really love this. I love that Tatcha does this, and is it too soon to say that I'm actually really excited for next year? We're not even there yet. We're a whole year away till the next one comes, and to be honest, I'm like super excited and can't wait to get next year's. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I absolutely love my lucky bag this year. Honestly, they never disappoint. I have never received a lucky bag that I disliked. They always have a variety of options. It's really nice. I remember last year I got some, I think I got like 2 cleansers, a moisturizer. Like, they really pack it in. Don't unfortunately end up making it. Like if you go online and they don't offer it anymore, I'm really sorry. Again, they go super fast, but I will say this, keep in mind that they do this every year. They usually do it the first week of January, so look out for it between January like 3rd to the 8th. That's usually when they release this. So keep in mind, if you are interested, I know you're gonna have to wait a year, which sucks, but it does come around every year, so keep that in mind. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you want me to review any of these items. I definitely might do the lip mask and let you guys know, because if any of you guys also suffer from just dry and cracked lips, like maybe this will be really great for you guys to try. I'm really excited to try it, and if I love it and it's actually a really great hit, I might just do a review on this. If I don't do a review, then that says a lot too. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave any comments, questions, concerns down below in the comment section. I will always respond to you. And yeah, let me know if you want me to do a review, and thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.